this. Oh my god, 100? Thank you so much. What the fuck? Happy holidays, Laura. Hi. How are you? Thank you so much. Sorry, I was making a tweet. I was making a zeet. mm, right, okay, so I wasn't sure what to work on today because I do need to work. I need to continue. I still haven't finished Fantasia because I was basically looking for rent for like an entire week. So I just came back yesterday. What was I, 2 days ago? And I am so overwhelmed by the amount of work that I need to do, but I'm trying to take it slow because otherwise I'm gonna get too overwhelmed and I'm gonna end up not working on anything at all, and that is not good. That's not good at all. So I might try to doodle something. Maybe I'll work on this one and maybe do something else later. I'm not sure. We'll see. Hi, Lucky. Mm. Melissa, hi. Guys, I was fucking starving. I was starving. I was dehydrated. While I was away, I've been dying to draw my Sona, and I just couldn't because I didn't bring my tablet with me. And also, I don't like drawing on my laptop. Fucking sucks. And I was fucking dying to draw him. And I finally did. Hmm. Bup, 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 bup. Bup, 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 bup. Yeah. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. No way, is that the Shaden? Is that the Shaden 8_8? Whoa! 8 months? Thank you. Hi, sexy, oh my. Tucks hair between my ear. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Ah. Oh my god, I really, really need to make a fucking reference sheet. Holy shit. How should stop is there? Ah. Ba 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 ba. Freaky, freaky. Hmm. Which one is it? This one? Huh? Oh my god. Wait, hold on. I guess this one. This energy, I think that she knows.